Hey everyone. Ever wish learning could be totally personalized? Like instead of everyone slogging through the same material at the same pace.
Yeah, exactly. It's like imagine a world where your education was actually tailored to you, your strengths, your weaknesses, your learning style.
Okay, that sounds kind of like a dream come true, but how's that even possible? What are we talking about here? Some kind of magic wand for learning.
Well, not magic exactly, but we are diving into the world of Google Illuminate today, a platform that's claiming to be the future of personalized learning.
Google Illuminate. Okay, I've heard whispers about this, but honestly, I'm a little fuzzy on the details. What's the deal with Illuminate?
So, in a nutshell, Illuminate uses some seriously cool tech like AI and algorithms to create these personalized learning paths for students.
Okay, so less magic wand, more like algorithm-powered personalized learning.
Exactly. Think of it this way. It's like having a textbook that literally reshuffles itself based on what you need to learn.
Whoa, okay, hold up. A reshuffling textbook. That's a serious visual. But how does that even work in practice?
So let's say you're struggling with a particular concept in math.
Math. My old nemesis. Go on.
No, Illuminate can actually detect where you're getting stuck, and then, get this, it'll automatically adjust the material to give you more practice in that specific area. It's all about keeping you challenged, but not so much that you feel like completely overwhelmed.
Okay, so no more feeling lost in a lecture hall because the pace is either too fast or too slow. This is sounding more and more like that dream come true we were talking about.
It's all about finding that sweet spot, that just right challenge that keeps you engaged and learning effectively.
This is blowing my mind. But it sounds like all this personalization has to involve some serious data crunching, right? Like how does Illuminate even know what each student needs? Are we talking about some kind of Big Brother situation here?
That's where the AI comes in, but it's not about spying on students or anything like that. Think of it more like a superpowered assistant for teachers.
A superpowered assistant. I like the sound of that. Tell me more.
So instead of teachers spending hours grading papers and analyzing test scores, Illuminate can handle a lot of that heavy lifting for them. This frees up teachers to actually teach. They can focus on things like mentorship, creative activities, and providing individualized support to students who need it.
Okay, so it's not about replacing teachers with robots or anything like that. It's about giving teachers superpowers to be even more awesome. I can get behind that.
Precisely. It's all about using technology to enhance the human element of education, not eliminate it.
That makes a lot of sense. But I have to admit, even with all this talk about personalized learning and teacher superpowers, I'm still a little fuzzy on what AI-powered tutoring actually looks like for a student using Illuminate. Like, paint me a picture. What's it like to actually learn with this platform?
So picture this. You're working on a history assignment, right? And you're trying to remember, like, the key players in the French Revolution, but your brain's drawing a blank.
Oof. Yeah, I've been there. History was never my strong suit. Too many dates to remember.
Totally. But instead of just staring at your textbook in a panic or, resorting to frantically Googling everything, what if you had some personalized help right there in the platform?
Okay, that sounds intriguing. So how does Illuminate step in to save the day with my history woes?
Well, let's say you're using Illuminate and it's like tracking your progress and it senses you're struggling with this particular topic. It could like offer you a quick refresher video, maybe something with, some fun animations or even like a historical rap battle to help those dates stick.
A historical rap battle. Now you're speaking my language. Okay, so it's not just about providing dry facts and figures. It's about making learning engaging and, dare I say, fun.
Exactly. Illuminate can tap into different learning styles, whether you're a visual learner, an auditory learner, or you just need everything presented in a super organized way.
So big picture time. What's next for Google Illuminate? Does this platform have a bright future?
Well, Google definitely seems to be betting big on personalized learning, and honestly, I think they're onto something. The demand for more customized and engaging learning experiences is only going to grow. As for what's next, who knows? But they've hinted at some pretty cool things in the pipeline. Like, imagine a world where AI could actually predict learning challenges before they even happen.
Wait, hold on. Predict learning challenges. That sounds kind of sci-fi, but also kind of amazing. How would that even work?
So it's all about data, right? If
Yeah.
Illuminate is tracking all this information about how students are learning, it could potentially start to see patterns. Like maybe it notices that students who struggle with a certain type of math problem in the 8th grade are more likely to have difficulty with advanced algebra in high school.
Okay, so it's like using data to identify potential roadblocks early on so we can help students get the support they need before they fall behind. That's pretty incredible. It sounds like Google Illuminate is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the future of learning. There's so much potential here, but also a lot to consider as we move forward. This has been a fascinating deep dive. Any final thoughts you want to leave our listeners with?
I think the biggest takeaway is that personalized learning is here to stay. Technology is going to continue to play a bigger role in education, and it's up to all of us to figure out how to use it responsibly and effectively to create a more equitable and engaging learning experience for every student.